The process begins as carefully selected ingredients arrive at the factory for large-scale crispy samosa production.
Before production begins, the ingredients are inspected to ensure consistent quality for every crispy samosa. The potatoes are thoroughly washed in industrial equipment before they become part of the flavorful crispy samosa filling. Next, an automated peeling system removes the potato skins, preparing the potatoes for the samosa filling. The peeled potatoes are cut into uniform pieces so the samosa filling can be prepared consistently.
A carefully measured blend of spices and seasonings is prepared to give the samosa filling its distinctive flavor.
The cooked potatoes and carefully measured spices are mixed together to create the flavorful filling for the crispy samosa.
While the filling is being prepared, flour is mixed and kneaded to create the dough that will form the outer shell of every crispy samosa. The dough is kneaded until it reaches the smooth, flexible texture needed to create a thin and crispy samosa shell. After kneading, the dough portions are rested so they can be processed smoothly during the next stages of samosa production. The rested dough is automatically divided into precise portions, keeping every crispy samosa consistent in size. Each portion is shaped into a smooth dough ball, preparing it for the precise rolling process. The dough balls are gently flattened to prepare them for the next stage, where they will become thin samosa pastry sheets. Precision rollers transform the flattened dough into thin, even pastry sheets designed to become crisp after frying.
The thin pastry sheets are precisely cut into uniform pieces, so each samosa can be shaped consistently.
The prepared potato filling now moves to the assembly line, where it will be combined with the thin samosa pastry. The filling is precisely portioned, so every samosa receives a consistent amount of seasoned potato filling. Each measured portion of seasoned potato filling is placed onto the pastry, preparing the samosa for shaping and sealing. The pastry is carefully folded around the seasoned potato filling, beginning the transformation into the familiar triangular samosa.
The folded pastry is precisely shaped into the classic triangular form of the samosa.
The pastry edges are securely sealed to keep the seasoned filling inside while the samosa is fried. Before frying, every sealed samosa is inspected to ensure its shape and edges meet the factory's production standards. The inspected samosas continue along the production line toward the frying section, where their final crispy texture will be created. The shaped samosas reach the industrial fryer, where controlled cooking will create their signature crispy texture. The sealed samosas enter the hot oil, beginning the frying stage that gives them their crisp outer shell. As the samosas cook, the pastry gradually develops the crisp golden brown shell that defines the finished product. The samosas continue frying until their pastry shells reach an even golden brown color and a crisp texture. Once fully fried, the crispy golden brown samosas are lifted from the oil and moved toward the draining and cooling stage. After frying, the crispy golden brown samosas pass through a draining system that removes excess oil before cooling. The freshly fried samosas are gently cooled under controlled conditions while maintaining their crisp golden brown shell. Each crispy golden brown samosa is carefully inspected to ensure consistent shape, color, and quality. After inspection, the accepted crispy golden brown samosas are automatically sorted and aligned for efficient packaging. The sorted crispy golden brown samosas now enter the automated packaging section of the factory. Automated equipment carefully loads the crispy golden brown samosas into food-grade trays for uniform packaging. The trays are sealed with food-grade packaging film to protect the crispy golden brown samosas during handling and transport.
Each sealed package receives its product labeling before moving through the final quality control stages. How is the seal integrity on batch 3?
It's perfect, Supervisor. The crispness is excellent.
The cartons are securely sealed to protect the packaged crispy golden brown samosas during storage and transportation.
Each sealed carton receives production identification, so the crispy golden brown samosas can be tracked through the distribution process.
The sealed cartons pass through an automated weight check to verify that each shipment contains the correct quantity of crispy golden brown samosas. After inspection, the cartons are neatly palletized, so large quantities of crispy golden brown samosas can be handled efficiently. The palletized cartons are wrapped in protective film to keep the crispy golden brown samosa packages secure during warehouse handling.
The finished pallets move into the warehouse, where packaged crispy golden brown samosas are organized before distribution.
Inside the finished product warehouse, the packaged crispy golden brown samosas are stored in organized rows awaiting distribution.
Okay, that's 40 cases right here.
I'll bring the last 10 over now.
We need to label these for priority.
The prepared cartons are carefully loaded into a food transport vehicle for delivery to their next destination. With the shipment loaded, the vehicle leaves the factory, carrying freshly produced crispy golden brown samosas toward distribution. After completing the production and distribution journey, the crispy golden brown samosas are ready to be presented to customers. The finished samosa has a crisp golden brown shell and a carefully prepared filling, completing the journey from raw ingredients to finished product. From carefully prepared ingredients and handmade style filling to precision shaping, frying, packaging, and distribution, this is how crispy golden